Cotton. That's how I'm going to start the video. The new shipment's in today. Just got a new package of shoes. Let's cut this bad boys open. Finally found the shoes that are darker than my soul, but brighter than the sun. Okay, let's start it off. Okay, came in a nice little box here. Let's open it up. Okay. Okay, yeah, come with a little nice little tissue paper. Let's open it up. Okay. If you can see, it's glistening. Can you see it? Okay. That's about it. I mean, what else is there to say? I got these for 65 cents on this website called nyIky.com, and they're authentic and real shoes. And let's get into the on feet. As you can see, we've got some glitter going on. These shoes feel like they cost about 12 cents. But when you do have these shoes, you will have a lot of swag and everyone will love you. Everyone will start coming up to you and ask for pictures of your shoes, and that's what's happened to me all at the time that I've had them. Literally. Let's get a 360 shot. So, if I'm here between 10 and 11, my office hours are between 3 and 4.